Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today I have a very much interesting video for you guys. So today in this video I will talk about the NVIDIA graphics card. Yes, this is the popular well-known GPU provider that is the awesome. They produce awesome NVIDIA graphics card, and they are mostly used in case of gaming or in case of encoding, that is a heavy task basically. So in this video I will talk about that how you can handle the NVIDIA graphics card in Linux systems, and particularly I am using here the Pop! OS operating system. And you know that Pop! OS operating system is a great Linux distribution based on the Ubuntu. Currently Pop! OS 22.04 has been released and I will use that. So in this video I will talk about that how you can install NVIDIA graphics driver in your Pop! OS operating system, how you can handle it, and how you can switch between the integrated graphics and the dedicated NVIDIA graphics. And also some tools I will be talking about, that how you can monitor your NVIDIA graphics card performance, its temperature, its usage, and all that stuff. So watch this video till last, and if you are new to my channel, then of course subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell icon. So without further delay, let's jump into our main topic. Alright, so you can see this is my Pop! OS operating system. So before starting the main technical things, I'm just showing you my laptop configuration so that you can understand properly what is going on. So this is the about section, and this is my laptop configuration. You can see this is the Pop! OS, and you can see my processor is Ryzen 5 5600H with Radeon integrated graphics, and Pop! OS 22.04 LTS I'm using 64-bit, and GNOME version is 42.4, and windowing system X11, and 8 GB of RAM. So this is my configuration, you can see. And here basically, now first of all, now what you have to do to use the NVIDIA in the Linux. So you have to download the Pop! OS operating system, and when you go to the Pop! OS website, you can see this is the Pop! OS System 76 website, and when you click the download, so you will get some options for the ISO image. Now this is the 22.04 LTS. This is the regular version. NVIDIA graphics driver is not installed here. You have to install separately. So you have to do some search and research to how to download the NVIDIA graphics card drivers, and it is also available in the Pop Shop, that is the software manager here. You can download from here also, but the best way to use the NVIDIA is actually downloading this media. So already NVIDIA graphics driver is installed in this image, so you have to just download. That means if you just click it, so the file size is 3.34 GB, so something larger of course, and the regular one is 2.82 GB. So first you have to download this image and then this ISO file, and then you have to install it in your system, so that you will get the NVIDIA driver pre-installed in your system. So I have also done that, and I have the NVIDIA graphics card driver. Now what you have to do, you just click here in this panel and drop down menu, and here you can see the battery usage, and here when you click, so you can see some options are here available. So these three things are for the performance, power performance, balanced battery life, and high performance mode. And these options are to switch the graphics card, and currently you can see that my NVIDIA graphics card it is using, right? You can see. So now what are these modes, that is what are these modes available, I am just talking about. And also System 76 has a separate page for all these documents. So you can see some graphics modes are available. So first of all, the integrated graphics, that means if you not want to use the NVIDIA graphics, then you should switch to the integrated graphics. You can see integrated graphics. Now whatever you choose, you must have to restart your PC, okay, to change the thing. Okay, so that's the thing. And now the integrated graphics is my Radeon graphics will be used, and NVIDIA graphics driver will be totally off. And the second one is NVIDIA graphics. That means all things you can see, and all the rendering, all the things will be controlled by the NVIDIA Graphics Driver. So no integrated graphics will be used. The third one is hybrid graphics. In the hybrid graphics, actually, most of the cases, and that means in the regular cases, the integrated graphics will be used. But if some software is said to be use the NVIDIA Graphics Driver, then that will use the NVIDIA Graphics Driver. For example, I am currently recording this desktop with my OBS Studio. So when I open up the OBS Studio, and you can see when I am going to the settings, and you can see in the outputs menu, and you can see the encoder I'm using is NVENC, that is the NVIDIA encoder. So that means I separately asked to NVIDIA graphics card to use the graphics card and encode the video. So now if I am in the hybrid graphics mode, so in that case for the OBS Studio, my NVIDIA graphics card will be used, and in other cases my integrated graphics will be used. So now I will talk about the performance also, that how you can monitor your performance. Just wait a minute. And the fourth number is and the fourth option is compute graphics. In the compute graphics, actually all the rendering will be done by the your integrated GPU, and NVIDIA graphics card will be left available to use as the compute node. So basically three main options are there. You can see one is integrated, one is NVIDIA, and one is hybrid graphics. So that's, but now some drawbacks are also there. If you use the NVIDIA graphics, battery usage is very much more than that the integrated graphics. I am using the PopOS operating system for a very long time, and I've noticed that NVIDIA graphics driver consumes very much battery actually. But in case of Windows, they are optimized. They are the NVIDIA graphics actually well supported by the Windows team, or for they made the graphics card optimized for the Windows systems. But in the Linux system, they are not that much optimized for the power consumption. So in the Linux system, they consume more power than Windows, definitely. And so most of the cases, I want to use the integrated graphics. Now, so this is the main drawback of the NVIDIA graphics card usage in the Linux, battery usage, but you can use that, of course, no problem with that. And now I'm just showing you some apps that how you can actually monitor your NVIDIA graphics card performance. Now, you know, in the Windows operating system, you have the task manager. When you open up the task manager, you get all the options that how much GPU it is using, integrated graphics or NVIDIA graphics. But here also some open source apps are available. Don't worry. So first of all, one command line app very much useful here, and that is the NVTop. And if it is not installed in your system, so you have to just type sudo apt install NVTop, then hit enter, then hit the password, and you can download that. So I have already installed and the version is 1.2 version. Now just run NVTop. Now you can see a lot of things here. So just see here. So you can see my graphics card has been detected. This is the GTX 1650, and some configuration it is showing here. You can see some configuration is showing here because my graphics card is using currently, and the GPU, now the GPU usage, this is the GPU usage. You can see 14% it is working in the 14% capacity, and you can also see the graph here. And the total dedicated GPU I have of the NVIDIA is 4 gigabytes, and only 0.9 gigabytes is using for this encoding of the OBS Studio. And in the encoding, 8% it is used for the encoding purpose, you can see. So this is a really nice graph to see all the stuffs. And also the temperature, the GPU temperature, you can see this is the 45 degrees C currently. And the power consumption, you can see 13 watt. So very much good stuff, so you can see and you can easily monitor your GPU performance, no doubt. But another graphical app I have in the PopOS operating system, so I'm just showing you. So just queue for quit. Now this is there is a Flatpak application in the Pop Shop. This is the Pop Shop, and already Flatpak is enabled in the Pop Shop here. And here I have downloaded one application open source application. So just I'm opening that. So the name is Greenwithenvy. So just click here, and now you can see this is very much a nice graphical user interface. And now you can see the name, the graphics card name here is 1650 NVIDIA, and the VBIOS version, PCI version Gen 3, and the driver version, the NVIDIA driver version is here. Now you can easily update the driver version from the pop shop. When you open the pop shop in the installed section, you can see these are the NVIDIA graphics driver updates are available. So just click install and it will be installed very quickly. So no problem with that. And now you can see the GPU performance, and you can see this is the GPU performance, almost 15%, and memory control and the encoding. Currently OBS Studio encoding my video, so you can see the encoding is 8% it is using. This is the power consumption. So power it is consuming currently is 13 watt almost, and all the graphics card properties, the clock speeds are you can see here very easily. And also the temperature, this is the current temperature, and this is the critical temperature of my NVIDIA graphics card, 87 degrees C. And when it reaches to the 99 degrees C, but it will not reaching that. Okay, so because cooling system are great here, so shut down, that computer will be shut down. So you can easily see the current temperature. So this is also very good app. This is the Greenwithenvy. So this is very much a good app, you can see. So by this way you can use your NVIDIA graphics card driver in your gaming laptop. So of course you buy a gaming laptop or install the Pop OS operating system in it, and that will be very much easy for you to play games also in Linux, because here you can install the Steam OS. You can install the Steam or Live to play the games in the Pop OS operating system. So and the NVIDIA graphics card you will use definitely for that. So that will be very much useful. So that's all for today's video actually. And if you are enjoying this video, then of course tell me in the comments. If you have any question, you can write in the comments. And so thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.